letter. 9th of all, a different letter has been added. 10th of all, a Russian letter has been added. 11th of all, a different number has been added. 12th of all, a currency symbol has been added. 13th of all, a Greek letters is freaking added. 14th of all, a Delta Entertainment fan-made letter has been freaking added. And finally, 15th of all, this time a Hebrew letter has been added. This time we made 15 bloopers at fricking farming once. It's randomized.